All right, so here's what comes in the box, minus the little bracket for mounting it. And what we're going to want to do is flip over the backside and just make note of the password and the serial number for the ZB for the steps that will follow. And then one quick note, um, I had some issues because I had plugged this port into my dongle, and what we should do to make this as simple as possible is just use the Wi-Fi connection to it to get everything set and running. So to activate that, we're going to press the button on the bottom of the ZB and press it down for about 10 seconds until we see the LED on the front of the ZB flash blue. When that is flashing blue, it means that we can then go into the PC, we can find the Wi-Fi connection and connect. So here I am in my Wi-Fi settings. I'm going to click on Show Available Networks. And we're going to find the IFMGW dash, and it's going to have your serial number for the gateway. So we're going to click on that. Once we click connect, it's going to ask for an 8-digit PIN. We don't have an 8-digit PIN. We need to connect using a security key. And that security key is going to be that password that was on the bottom of the ZB. All right, so there we are. We're connected now over Wi-Fi to the ZB, and we can now get into the web server and configure the gateway settings. All right, so in the startup guide notes, it mentions the older firmware versions of this gateway require that you put in the 192.168.0.1 and then a colon 3001. In the case of the one that I just got from stock, that is not necessary. We can just put in 192.168.0.1. So that gets us access to the gateway. I'm going to press continue. And in my case, I'm just configuring that LAN setting for communication. And just to make this simple, 192.168.0.10, the gateway is going to be 192.168.0.1, 255.255.255.0. And we're not going to put in a DNS server because I do not need that. I'm going directly to my laptop. Save. Okay. And we see that the gateway will connect to the network automatically after you back and quit from the configuration screen. So we're going to hit back. We're going to jump into next the MQTT settings. Okay, so once we're here, we're going to turn on the MQTT connectivity. We're going to allow connection without a TLS. And I'm connected directly to my dongle on the PC. And my dongle does have a 192.168.0.111 IP address. Let's give that a try. And it's going to come across port 1883. And there is no username or password. Let's hit save. And we're going to hit back. And then right here, now that we've changed the LAN setting, we changed the MQTT settings, now we're going to hit quit. And the device is going to reboot. And once that finishes rebooting, and that could take a few minutes, then we'll go on to a second video here, just to go over connecting up a VWV, seeing the data inside of the broker, etc. Thank you. Talk to you soon.